Happy Friday. So today's social studies lesson is continuing on our learning goal, which is I understand the characteristics of a responsible community member, which community member also means citizen. And to be successful today, you are going to create, be very creative today, a word cloud. And if you're not familiar with what a word cloud is, I'll show you. So let me show you what I posted in Seesaw. And I'll go over the directions and then we'll follow through and see the example. You're going to click on the link, of course, first. Then you go to the second link. Some of you might be familiar with this website, ABCYA. So it brings you to this screen. Here is exactly where you want to be. The directions tell you then to click on this green arrow, and then, hey, look, there's start. So we're going to start. And let me go back. I want to show you the finished product of what we're looking for. I'm going to add a response so I can see the example. I made a word cloud, and remember, boys and girls, that's small to me. I want it bigger, so I click on the magnifying glass and the plus symbol, and I can make it bigger, and then I slide it down. So I typed in words, and I'll show you how to do it, that describe me as being a good citizen. Also, I wanted to tie today's activity into this year's theme, which is be a light, live a great story. So if we're good citizens, we're shining a light, we're being positive, we're helpful, and then by doing that, your life story is going to include you being a wonderful citizen and community member. So if you look at my words, I kind of described words about me, my job, how I'm a good citizen, and I typed in words and they separated them. So we'll see how they come out. I work hard. That's what that is meaning. I'm nice. I'm a mom. I care about people. I work hard. That's the connection there. I'm a teacher. Love pets. I take care of people. I have a positive impact. Um, I take care of the sick. I'm a voter. I hold the door open. I have a career. I pick up litter. I advocate for myself and my students. I hope to be a good role model. I hope to make a difference. I try to be creative. I love my students and I try to be thoughtful. Now, this is an interesting combination of how it took my words and then put it together like this. Don't worry about that. Just have fun with this activity. So let's go back to this. So this is where you'll type your words. If you're happy, space, you smile, space, um, do my best. Now this string of words, do my best, is the example that it'll separate all these words. I'm wondering if we put them together. So we're being creative and that's not how we write words, but let's see what happens. I show up to class on time. I didn't space, which I don't like, but let's see what happens. I'm going to click on create. You want many more words than this. Um, Helpful, thoughtful, thoughtful, um, take out trash, take out trash. Let's see what happens. I'm going to click on create. Say you have a long list. I'm clicking on create. It's working. Oh, it did keep these words together, but there's no spaces. So again, this is art and we can be a little more flexible. Here's your options. You can choose your color choices. I personally like this one, so it changes it over. I want to change the layout. Ooh, I want it in a circle. Let's see how close it can get to a circle. So it's trying to make a circle. Word limit, if you don't need to worry about that. if you want, when you're done, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to click out of this. Say, oh, I want to change the font. I like Noteworthy. It's all about being creative now. So there I have that. I like that just the way it is. I'm going to go to Menu. I'm going to go over to Save. And now it's saved on my computer. I think it's saved. Then I can click on that and save it in my drive. I'm going to challenge you to think of words that describe yourself as a good citizen, as a role model. You're shining the light for others. You're bringing them joy. This is going to be something that's going to challenge you, and I'm not putting any boundaries on it other than I want it to be focused on you being a good citizen. I'm trying to get back to my assignment. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, you'll have to save it for the end of the day. But I want you to focus on just creating something fun and save it and see if you can figure out how to post it on Seesaw. All right, are you up for the challenge? Have fun being great citizens and role models.